Hey YouTube, let's do Inxs Never Tear Us Apart. It's my favorite Inxs song. Starts on A minor. Don't ask me. You there? All right, something like that. This is a verse with a refrain song. Okay, so there's no chorus. The chorus is like a refrain. Love will never tear us apart. That's the refrain. So in the beginning of the song, they just play once through the second half of the verse, and they go right into the refrain. So that gives you the whole chord progression for the song. A minor, F, so A minor to F, and then we go D minor, F, but now we're playing it at the 8th fret, and it goes, and then when it goes into the refrain, it goes C, F, C, F. You get the idea. And at the end, it goes to G. And then there's that riff. I was just playing it. Open A. Because remember, it's played over A minor chord. So I'm going on the A string, open, 3rd fret, open D, and then open A. And you got to kind of mute the D after you pluck it, because otherwise it'll keep ringing. So after when I hit the open A, I'm muting the D with my finger. You can play the A minor right there. You can play both. F. Sounds good if you pluck the bass and then hit the top strings. It's kind of like you got a 50s kind of vibe. So one thing you could do is do these walk downs. So A minor, G passing chord, F, C passing chord on your way to D minor. And then I just walked up from the D minor. I went, that's on your 5. So I just did power chords, 6, 7, 8, and that's F on 8. Remember, A is minor. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye.